Hey Taurus, how y'all doing? Segura Roots. Welcome back to another, sorry, a little something on this rainy day. Just thought I'd do something. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little tarot and some other things. How y'all doing? Just messing around. This beautiful rainy day. I love when it's raining and it's quiet, peaceful. Let's see what they want to tell you, Taurus. The Knight of Swords, young man, 25 years, speedy situation or finish. Taurus, Gemini, first deacon, fire, truth. Are you speaking your truth? Or you want to tell somebody your truth? You know, you want to finish it up, no more lies. Trying to hurry up to do it, or somebody coming to do that to you. You know, it's a white horse, truth. You want to speak your truth, or they want to speak their truth. Finish the lies up. Okay, I hear you, thoughts. There it is. Page of Pentacles. Want to offer them something. Young woman, 25 years, student, male or female. You know, or somebody want to offer you something. You know, whatever it may be. Earth. In love with them, or so many things you could want to offer. You know, you're in a hurry to do it, whatever it may be. You want to finish it up. You want to speak your truth. So maybe that person feel the same way. Maybe they want to speak back to you too. Whatever the thing, whomever it may be. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do a little medical affirmation. See what they want to say, Taurus. Let's see. I'm not a control freak. I don't like groupies, sex regular. I'm not a whore. I don't need cigarettes to smoke for company all the time. I can sit or do other things. I love my skin color. I let others know if I'm freaky. Okay. Whatever it be you want to tell them, Tar. All on you. All eyes on you. Let's do affirmations of truth. Let's see. Oh, hold on, y'all. Sorry, Toddies. Let's do affirmations of truth. Let's see what they want to say. Oh, my little light went out. Let's see. Where my lighter go? Oh, shoot. Alita is a whole lot of distraction. You better go ahead and say what you gotta say. A Leo Tartar's daughter just left. So don't let distractions stop you. Whatever it is you gotta do. Let's say. She wanted to show me about her alarm system. Somebody broke in her apartment. I like nice things. I am liberal. I can accept your ways, habits that hurt me. I can accept what I do wrong. Know when to move on. Stop trying to prove how great you are. I can support my kids and me. She definitely can. Let's see. Let's do edible and healing plants. Anything you might be looking for. Green seaweed or sea vegetables are forms of algae that grow in the sea. Red, green, brown, black in color, grows along rocky shorelines around the world. Asia, mostly Korea, China. So let's see what green seaweed is. Parties. Okay, it is with health benefits: omega-3, vitamin B12, protein, protective antioxidants, free radicals, less aging, less active. Okay, won't damage cells, stop heart disease, diabetes, fiber, supporting gut health, balance good and bad bacteria to stop diseases, stops hunger to reduce weight gain, reduce heart risk, type diabetes, improve blood sugar control. Okay, let's do a little thing for you. See what advice they want to tell you, thoughties. Okay, they got you too. Wait on someone who dates around but keeps in touch with you just in case things don't work out with who they're with, holding your life up and you letting them. No sex or a little sex. Who want to do that, Tar? I know you ain't waiting around for nobody or making nobody wait on you till you decide you want them or they decide they want you after they get through messing around or leave their husband or wife or girlfriend or whatever it may be. Nobody got time for that. I love me, hello. But not in a conceited way that nobody is better, can satisfy you or nobody, how do you say, conceited that you think you're too good for anybody. But you love you in a balanced way. That's knowing thyself. Not scared to be by yourself. Enjoy your own company. But you can't love somebody else unless somebody love you. Correct? Am I right? Alright, Tardies, that's what I have. This your girl Ruth signing off, and I hope I helped. Sorry for all the distractions, and that's probably what you're going through. I don't know. I love y'all. Alright, bye.